Now, whoever said they were too bright in Halifax? Look at this. What a mess.
Yeah, well, almost, hey, I got you right here. And you're going to slip back in there.
How can you slip back in there?
I am in there now.
There, this is the driver.
I tried to get a running start.
Now there's the man that's gonna save this whole deal. Lester E. Ellsworth Coe Jr. Hell no. You remember the Three Stooges movies and the different plot lines? This is kind of like that.
I see this right here. You need something in the middle. It can't be on one side.
There they are, wallowing in the mud. All right, folks, here comes the tow car. The tow car is doing it from the front. Okay, Ellsworth is now hooking up. Let's see where his hook is. Let's get out of the way. Delay a game. Bill forgot the key. Here comes Mr. Bill with the keys finally. All right, here we go, folks. Oh my goodness. Well done.
Broken your vow and it's all over now, so I'm moving on. You switched your